138. 138 combat missions.
Read vitals.
Heartbeat detected. Emergency medical is on its way.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. As you can see from that little intro, the car behind me goes by War Machine. This is actually owned by a good personal friend of mine, Keith. So what we're in for today is he's actually got a little bit what he called a leg injury. He's got a tire that's out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount a new set of tires on this thing. He's out getting the tires right now for me, so let's go ahead and get this thing racked up and get the wheels pulled off. Let's go ahead and get these tires off and prep it for the new ones. Just like that, these tires are off. So now we just got to prep these wheels and get the new tires on. Alright guys, as you can see, the War Machine is all complete, ready to tear up the street.